Certainly. Let's explore the basics of setting up a camera for animation in 3ds Max. 1. Creating a camera. Open your 3ds Max scene. Go to the Create panel and choose Free Camera. Click in your viewport to create the camera. Use the Move and Rotate tools to position and aim the camera as needed. 2. Adjusting camera settings. With the camera selected, open its properties. Here are some key settings you can adjust. Field of view determines the camera's viewing angle. Near and far clipping planes set the range within which objects are visible. Other parameters specific to the camera type, e.g., target distance for a free camera. 3. Animating the camera. Activate the camera viewport. Advance the time slider to any frame. Use the orbit tool to rotate the camera around its target for target cameras, or its target distance for free cameras. Remember to experiment with different camera angles, focal lengths, and animation paths to achieve the desired effect. Happy animating! Movie Camera Clapperboard. For more detailed tutorials, you can explore resources like this YouTube tutorial on camera.